Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dark Souls 3 online. First, you will need an active online subscription for your console, such as PlayStation Plus or Xbox Live Gold. A stable internet connection is also crucial for a smooth experience, preventing frustrating disconnections. Make sure your game account is in good standing and not banned. Finally, always ensure your game is updated to the very latest version to connect with other players seamlessly. Once you are set up, several in-game items facilitate online interactions. To offer your help, use the white sign soapstone to place your summon sign. If you wish to invade another player's world, the red eye orb is your tool. For those seeking more chaotic encounters, a dried finger allows up to 3 phantoms in your world. Joining the Way of Blue Covenant automatically summons a Blue Sentinel or Darkmoon Blade when you are invaded. Covenants are central to the diverse online experience in Dark Souls 3. Each covenant offers unique objectives and rewards. For example, the Warriors of Sunlight are dedicated to jolly cooperation, helping hosts defeat bosses. The Aldrich Faithful protect the sacred grounds of Anor Londo from intruders. Meanwhile, the Mound Makers embrace chaos, allowing them to help or hinder any player, making for truly unpredictable encounters and adding immense replayability. To ensure a smooth online experience, remember a few best practices. If you encounter connection problems, always check the game's official server status. Often, simply restarting your game or console can resolve minor connectivity glitches. Double-check your network settings to ensure they are not blocking online play. Most importantly, always respect other players and avoid using any unfair exploits to maintain a healthy and enjoyable community for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.